so cute! Today I will show you how to make these adorable German marzipan pigs, the sweetest way to bring a good luck to a new year. No oven, no fancy things needed, just marzipan, powdered sugar, food coloring and a bit of creativity. Consider yourself lucky already.
To make 5 of them, you will need together 100 grams of raw marzipan, Lübecker if you can find it, that's the good stuff, 50 grams of powdered sugar and few drops of red food coloring. I recommend adding color bit by bit until you get the perfect Lucky Pig pink. I needed at least 15 drops. Now roll 5 walnut-sized balls, each weighing 20 grams. Those are your pig bodies. Then form pea-sized legs, you'll need 4 per pig. Attach carefully legs underneath. Roll another pea-sized ball for the snout, flatten and attach. Shape tiny ears from triangles, attach. And hit that like button if you like what you are looking at already. Poke 2 cute nostrils. I'm using the end of my comb. Take a toothpick and make 2 holes that resemble eyes.
Every country has its favorite way to bring luck. Tell me what is yours in the comments below. They don't need to be perfect, the slightly wonky ones are usually the cutest and luckiest. Once your piglets are done, store them in an airtight container for up to 4 weeks at room temperature. They make a perfect New Year's gift, cute, symbolic and totally eatable. And if you want to double your good fortune, click right here and watch a video about the traditional Bavarian pork roast. Another lucky dish for New Year's Eve. Happy New Year, or as we say in Germany, Frohes Neues!